Hello and welcome to this video on 5 steps to make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI that can be used for a variety of purposes, including generating content, answering questions, and even making money. In this video, I will show you how you can use ChatGPT to make money. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for ChatGPT. The first step to making money with ChatGPT is to sign up for the platform. To sign up, simply visit the ChatGPT website and create an account. Once you have created an account, you will have access to the platform's features and functionalities. Step 2. Choose a monetization strategy. The second step is to choose a monetization strategy. There are several ways to make money with ChatGPT, including selling your ChatGPT-generated content. You can create content using ChatGPT and sell it to clients or on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Creating a ChatGPT-based product. You can create a product or service based on ChatGPT and sell it to customers. Offering ChatGPT-based services. You can offer ChatGPT-based services such as chatbots or virtual assistants to businesses and individuals. Step 3. Learn how to use ChatGPT. The third step is to learn how to use ChatGPT effectively. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it requires some knowledge and skills to use it effectively. You can take online courses or tutorials to learn how to use ChatGPT, or you can experiment with the platform on your own to learn more about its capabilities. Step 4. Create high-quality content. The fourth step is to create high-quality content using ChatGPT. Whether you are creating blog posts, social media posts, or other types of content, it is important to ensure that your content is of high quality and meets the needs of your target audience. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your content, but it is important to edit and refine the content to make it unique and valuable. Step 5. Promote your content and services. The final step is to promote your content and services. Once you have created high-quality content or developed a ChatGPT-based product or service, you need to promote it to your target audience. You can use social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to promote your content and services and attract customers. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 5 steps to make money using ChatGPT. By signing up for ChatGPT, choosing a monetization strategy, learning how to use the platform, creating high-quality content, and promoting your content and services, you can start making money with ChatGPT today. Thank you for watching and best of luck in your ChatGPT journey. And we'll see you soon.